Well, howdy. And this pile of wood here is for a project that I'm about to start. Now, I don't even know how to start off because it probably will sound pretty crazy, but I always wanted to, since I bought the Land Cruiser, I wanted to get a roof rack for it. So I contemplated different things. I definitely wasn't very excited to pay $1,200 and up for one already made, plus shipping, and shipping is quite a bit of money on its own. So I contemplated different things. I was thinking of building it out of thin metal piping, maybe square tubing, using aluminum, and all those things. I kind of my skill level is not there, and other complications. Anyway, I decided why not the wood. And the wood, I don't know. I never seen anyone building it out of the wood. I don't know if someone ever tried, and it just doesn't work, or simply nobody ever thought about it. Well, I'm gonna attempt it. I don't think it's gonna be any lighter than, say, a metal one, but it's gonna be a comparable in weight. Strength-wise, obviously, depending on the material one is to use, it's not going to be as strong, but I think for my purposes it's going to be strong enough, at least in theory. But I'll try to take you guys along with me on the build and see what's going to come out of it.